Good morning, YouTube. It's a beautiful day here in sunny South Carolina. Got the diamond chain on to flex on them haters, you know. And if you don't have any haters, are you really doing it right? Anyway, y'all are probably going to hate a lot on this video. Myself, I'm probably going to hate on this video a lot. About to do something really ratchet to the car, but it's for a good reason. Later today, I'm meeting up with my boy Tanner, and we're actually going to take a lot better shots of the car, get some rollers, make a new edit. A lot better than the one I have on my channel now. That was just something to make a video. I was bored. Anyway, most of y'all don't know, but I actually got the car wrecked. And as you can see right there, he was sitting at a stop sign, the guy before me. And this woman came around the corner too sharp and actually ran over the front of him. Now, a lot of y'all thinking, why would I get the car when it looks like this? Well, if y'all saw the truck I had before, and you knew the value of this car when it was fixed, y'all realize that I got one hell of a deal on the car. Anyway, what I'm thinking about doing, silver Sharpie. Yeah, you can see right here, actually, I've actually done it a little bit already just to see what it looks like. And maybe in the video right now you can't tell that much, and that's actually what I'm hoping for, just to make the video or the car look a little better. Obviously I can't do anything about this gaping hole in my headlight or all the cracks right there, but I am going to fill in these little black areas with Sharpie. Hopefully, I know once you notice it, it's going to look really ratchet and gross and everything, but for the time being, I don't have any money to buy a $800 bumper, so this is what's going to have to do for now. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, I think my Sharpie kind of ran out, so I'm going to just leave it like it is. It is kind of less noticeable, maybe at first glance or something, but if you stare at it for longer than like 2 seconds, you'll really notice it. So nowhere near as good as I thought it would turn out. There's a lot of black spots still left, so maybe your eyes will be drawn to those instead of the colored in silver ones. Anyway, this is where I'm leaving it right now. Hopefully it will look better on video than it does in person. Video usually tends to not bring out full details and stuff. Anyway, that's how it's gonna go. What's up, guys? We're here in downtown Greenville where we're gonna be taking the shots of the car today. Got here a bit early, so I'm just gonna chill up here, wait on Tanner to get here. Him and his buddy are actually coming, so that should be fun. His buddy's bringing his 240, so that should be a nice sight to see. Got the car all washed and ready to go. Like I said, we got here really early, so I'll catch up with y'all whenever he gets here. Alright. After about an hour of waiting, I think we finally got something. Oh boy. Comes a 240. I guess they rode together, probably. gotta include our friends in the picture scenes with the sunset in the background. Really excited for this video, guys. Sorry, he's questioning me. Anyway, we're gonna go get some more shots before the sun completely goes down. Catch y'all later. Alright, as y'all saw, we had an awesome time making this video yesterday. Huge shout out to Tanner and Brice. Make sure you go check them out on Instagram. I'll have it down below. They post awesome stuff, car related and just car guys in general. So if you enjoy seeing car stuff, car builds, track days, stuff like that, make sure you go follow them. And stay tuned for this video tomorrow. I've been working on it today. It's going to be crazy lit. I'm so excited to get it posted. We've been working really hard on it. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified right when I post it tomorrow. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Have a great day.